Does it really matter what laundry detergent you use? Yes, it really matters what laundry detergent you use. Traditional detergents often contain harsh chemicals that can cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, and environmental harm. Choosing a non toxic detergent like Truly Free ensures that you avoid these risks. It is gentle on your skin and safe for your family, and it's better for the environment. And if you want to get this using a discount code, use that link right down below where you can purchase it from the official website. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to be showing you how Truly Free has made our lives easier. It's chemical free, eco-friendly, and safe for our home. Did I mention we love it? Come with me as I show you how we're cleaning our laundry using Truly Free's products. If you want a clean, eco-friendly home, Truly Free is a lifesaver. Check the description box right down below where you can buy from the official website and get a discount. But let's talk about this some more. I noticed when I was using other cleaning chemicals, I experienced like this tightness in my chest. I think that's one of the first things that kind of led to us finding Truly Free. My son's breathing also changed, especially after using those products. And that alarmed me, it scared me, right? Truly Free products are family friendly, eco friendly, and safe. No harsh chemicals like other products on the market. And you know what? Let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about this. What I can honestly say about Truly Free is that I love the fact that it has given us the same cleaning power and quite honestly a lot better without using those harsh chemicals. No more tightness in the chest. I can't honestly say enough about Truly Free's products. And by the way, if you want to get Truly Free products, use that link in the description box right down below to purchase it. It's from the official website, and also you get a discount using that link right down below. Truly Free has been a game changer, making our house, making our laundry non-toxic, smelling great, and looking great. What I love about Truly Free also is their money back guarantee. If you don't like their products, they'll give you your money back, no questions asked. They stand by their products, and you can learn some more about that in the description box, where you can also visit the official website and get a discount using that link right down below. Thank you so much for visiting my place on the internet. Truly Free products have shown me how easy it is to clean, to smell great without using those harsh chemicals. And don't forget, use that link right below so you can get a discount on your order using that link right below from the official website. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you next time.